Welcome once again to DANNYCOM channel, where we take our time and walk you through some tutorials that will help you improve your life. Tonight I'm going to show you something simple: how to enable developer option on your Android device, and why you need to enable developer option on your Android device in the subsequent videos. We are going to enable developer option on our Android device because it is an option that carries a lot of hidden features in your Android device. And so when you enable developer option on your Android phone or your smartphone, you will be able to have access to maximum performance of your device. And so you cannot afford to be using your Android or your smartphone without developer option being enabled. Don't forget to click on the subscription button and click on the notification bell also, so that anytime we post a video you get an update. Quickly we will pick our mobile phone or our handset and we'll go through how to enable this developer option on your Android device. And so when you pick your phone, you just quickly go through the settings option, then you look for where it's saying about phone. When you go to about phone, you click on the software information. When you click on software information, you will see build number. Click on build number for 7 times. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. If your phone is having a password, it will ask you to confirm your password. If the phone is not having password, it will just walk you through. Now when you finish, you go back one step. Just right after the about or beneath the about, you will see that developer option is enabled. Developer option is enabled. Thank you for watching this short video. In the subsequent video, I will be showing you what you can be doing in the developer options to maximum performance and also to enhance the security of your phone. Thank you for watching, and share the video to someone also.